Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to make any Android smartphones and tablets keep playing video sound even in screen off condition. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly just open the Play Store and just search for one application named as Samsung Internet Browser. On the first list you will see the application, just click on it. Click on install to install this application. So once the installation is done, just click on open. Now click on continue. Now just click on this three horizontal lines and click on this settings. Just scroll down below. Now you can see here one option written useful features. Just click on it. Now you will see here one option written background play. Just click on it. Now here you have three options: on, only on headphones or external speakers, or off. So by default this feature is being turned off. So now I want it to be on. You can use it only on headphones or external speakers also if you wish. So I'll just select this on option right now. Now let's try to play some video along with some sounds. So now let me try to play some video sound. So now you can see it's playing the video along with some sound. So I've minimized it. Now let me just swipe down. So you can see it's still playing. As you can see, it's still playing. Now let me screen up. So you can see it's still playing. I have not paused it also. So let us unlock the screen. Let me swipe down that notification toggle. Still you can see the video sound is still playing right now. So by using this application named as Samsung Internet Browser, you can easily make any Android smartphones and tablets keep playing video sound even in screen off condition very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.